Guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am going to tell you 5 top websites with the high commission affiliate links and affiliate marketing. If you don't know the affiliate marketing, I will describe in this video. Just stay tuned with the end. Let's get started.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
First of all guys, I would like to ask you to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you will never gonna miss any new update on how to make money online. So in this channel we talk about different tricks and different hacks by that you can make thousands and thousands of dollars by just sitting at home or just sleeping, and it will be a rest of your life, so you can count as a passive income. So now let me tell you a basic idea of affiliate marketing. Basically in affiliate marketing you don't have to have your own product. That means you don't have to make anything, and somebody is making the thing or somebody is making an instrument or the product. You just have to sell it by your own. You don't have to worry about making the product. You don't have to worry about delivering it to the doorstep. That will be the headache of the product maker. But why they are what is the affiliate marketing? Basically they will give you as a referral link, and once somebody is click on your link and make that purchase, you will get a small commission on that particular product sale. So this is all about the affiliate marketing. So today in this video I'm going to tell you top 5 websites which is having a more almost around 40% of commission. That means you can make almost around $400 by per sale, $400 by particular selling of the product, or you can make, if you are selling any one of the product, you can make $400 per sale. So let's begin. So the first website here is ClickBank. Yes, I already made one video how you can sell or you can create your account on that particular topic or in the ClickBank, so you can check out that video to the I button. This is a very large affiliate platform, and this is a global platform, so you are from any country you can use this website and make a huge amount of commission. This website is having almost every possible product, and there are different products available on this marketplace, so you can refer any of the product and make the huge commission from this website. The next website here I am having for you is the Volusion.com. Yes, this is a e-commerce website. Basically people here come here and create their own store and sell their product, but you can join as an affiliate and start product selling the product from this website, and you can make almost around $400 by particular sale. So what you have to do, you have to just click here, become an affiliate, and boom, it will be give you an affiliate link, so you can put that link on your YouTube channel or into your Telegram or any WhatsApp group. You can paste, and somebody is making the purchase from that particular link, you will get the commission. Now next I have is ClickFunnels. So ClickFunnels is basically a landing page, or they also have different types of services and products. So you can use this website as well and make a huge amount of commission. They are almost having edge and everything. They have the e-commerce website products, they have the retailer products, they have consumable products, they have each and everything they have in their website. So what you have to do, you have to just become the affiliate partner, and once you become the affiliate partner, you can get your link and you can use that link to make any sell, and once you made this sale, you will get the commission. And they're also having a huge commission on the affiliate. You could have made almost around $400 by a particular sell by this website named ClickFunnels. Now next one is similar to the last one, that is the ClickFunnels. However, this website is a name called Funnel Builder Secrets. So this is having their secrets product, and once you get sign up here, you will get your affiliate link and you can start promoting the products from this website. And this is also having kind of huge commission for a particular sale. So next and the last one is Capitalize Explodes .at. This website is kind a different website. They are into the stock market, cryptocurrencies, and what they do is they hire people to give the research for them, and they post their research on this their platform, and they provide different kind of products on their website as well. And once you make any sell from this website or their product, you will get a huge amount of commission from this website. The commission is almost around $700 by a particular sell. So you can use this website and create your own affiliate link and start selling or promoting the product from this website. However, this website I not usually recommend because this is kind of different domain. People generally not involved into the stock market and other areas, so the sale will be less. However, you can, if you are into this line, then you can use this website to make $700 per sale from this website. So this is all about, guys. So this is all about the affiliate program and affiliate links, affiliate websites. You can use this website and make thousands and thousands of dollars by a particular sale. Just start using this website. All of those website links are into the description. You can check out and make your affiliate link. Thank you.